In the heart of innovation, where knowledge converges with technology, Parul University stands as a symbol of progress. Today, we proudly present the Micro-Nano Research and Development Center.
The Parul University's Micro-Nano Research and Development Center marks a significant advancement in our pursuit of innovation and excellence in material science, molecular biology, and nanotechnology. With the state-of-the-art high-resolution imaging technologies, this facility will enable detailed nanoscale analysis and impactful research. Our vision is to establish this center as a leading hub for scientific exploration and technological progress. I extend our sincere gratitude to the Industries Commissariat and the Industries and Mines Department of the Government of Gujarat for their generous support for this center. As we embark on this exciting journey, I invite all the stakeholders, academicians, industry leaders, and policymakers.
Welcome to the Micro-Nano Research and Development Center, a cutting-edge facility designed to push the boundaries of science and technology. This state-of-the-art center is built to foster research, innovation, and creativity in the fields of nanotechnology and its applications in various fields. Let's meet the director of the Micro-Nano R&D Center and listen more about the vision and mission of the center.
The opening of the Micro-Nano Research and Development Center marks a significant milestone in Parul University's journey towards becoming a leader in the scientific and technological community. Nanotechnology, which involves manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular scale, is at the forefront of innovation across various industries.
We are excited to present our advanced Micro-Nano R&D Center featuring 6 state-of-the-art instruments that enable our researchers and students to conduct innovative research. Each of these instruments plays a vital role in enhancing our research capabilities within the Micro-Nano R&D Center, driving innovation across multiple scientific disciplines. Through collaboration between academia and industry, we aim to cultivate a skilled workforce and drive innovation. We invite you to join us in shaping the future of science and technology. Together, we can make meaningful contributions and establish Parul University as a beacon of knowledge and innovation. Thank you.
You can easily book your slots across Parul University or anywhere in India through our website at micronanord.paruluniversity.ac.in.